देखो इंट्रोडक्शन सबसे पहले देखना है, डू यू बिलीव दैट यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प रिसेंट tariff lead to protectionism and trade war in global economy, assess its possible global impact and India's position in this context. Introduction. In his second term, US President Donald Trump has imposed a heavy tariff on many of America's trading partners as per his election promise. This has been opposed by countries like Canada, Mexico, etc., which has raised the possibility of protectionism and trade war in global trade world. In this context, the US has demanded a review of trade policy with India, which has been to a deadlock between two countries. ठीक है, अब आते हैं assessment of possibility of protectionism and trade war due to Trump's policy. Protectionism is a trade policy in which the government imposes duties, tariff, quotas and other barriers on import to protect domestic industries from foreign competition. ठीक है, क्या लगाता है? इम्पोज करता है ड्यूटी, quotas and other barriers on imports to protect domestic industry from foreign competition. Its purpose is to promote domestic industries, create jobs and reduce the trade deficit. For examples of protectionist policies include tariff, import quotas, local content requirement and anti-dumping duty. ठीक है, हम लिख देंगे टैरिफ हो गया, एंटी डंपिंग ड्यूटी हो गया, लोकल कंटेंट रिक्वायरमेंट हो गया एंड import quotas. A trade war is a conflict between two or more countries over the imposition of trade duties on each other goods. It begins when a country imposes tariff or quotas on imported and foreign countries retaliate with similar form of trade protectionism. जैसे कि रिसेंट यूएस और चाइना जो कन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ. Trade war reduce international trade and can cause economic harm to all countries. A trade war cause import price to rise, which can also lead to inflation. A trade war cause import price to rise, which can also lead to inflation. Putting America first as priority, Trump followed through on his promise to boost productivity and job in US with his administrative early action, including using executive order to impose 25% tariff on Canada, Mexico and a 10% on energy product from Canada and a variety of goods from China. In protest against this, Canadian PM announced that Canada will impose 25% tariff on US goods worth $155 billion in response to tariff imposed by US. Mexico also criticized it. In response to this, China said that it is ready to protect its right and interest by taking retaliatory action. The Commerce Ministry has also said that it will file a legal case against it in World Trade Organization. There is no doubt that if a conflict starts between two big economies of world, then its impact is not limited to only those two economies, but its effect is global. अब आते हैं its potential global impact देखते हैं. After the economic recession of 2008, many Western countries, including America, are adopted a protectionist attitude, which is likely to result in trade war. Earlier in 2018, the effort of US-China trade war was global. We can see the effect of trade war and protectionism through following chart. The global impact of trade war and protectionism: increase in international dispute, fear of economic recession, harm to free competition, negative impact on exhaust, reduction in investment, some developing country benefit, impact on the functioning of World Trade Organization. India's position in this context: tariff dispute between India and US has emerged after US Secretary of Commerce on 13 फरवरी 2025 directed United Nations Trade Representative to investigate the damage caused to US by non-reciprocal trade arrangement adopted by those trading partners. मतलब यूएस में जो सेक्रेटरी ऑफ कॉमर्स है उन्होंने आदेश दिया कि अब देखो कि जो यूएस के ऊपर जो नॉन रेसिप्रोकल ट्रेड अरेंजमेंट्स हैं उनसे यूएस को कितना नुकसान हो रहा है. देयर इज़ नो डाउट दैट सच अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन यूएस एंड इंडिया एंड यूएस विल नेगेटिवली अफेक्ट the interest of both countries. But in this regard, during President Modi's recent US visit, both countries talked about doubling trade to $500 by 2025 and completing the initiative of multi-sectoral bilateral trade agreement for mutual benefit by 2025. ट्रेड डबल कर रहे हैं और bilateral trade agreement for mutual benefit by 2025. This raised the hope that both countries will find a meaningful solution to this dispute. Apart from this, India can benefit from trade war in different way. पहला है increase in export. Due to decreased demand of Chinese goods in America, the demand for Indian product will increase, which will increase India's export. Foreign investment. Many companies may shift their product from China to countries like India, which will increase FDI in India. ठीक है. Competitive advantage. The increase in price of Chinese good will give India a competitive advantage over other countries. New opportunities. The tariff imposed by US on China may give India new opportunities to export to US. Benefit in specific sector like electronic, pharmaceutical, textile, auto components and chemicals may get a big benefit in this. Benefit in export. Free trade agreement. The imposition of high tariff on China, Mexico and Canada by US can open up new avenue for India, and if India secure a free trade agreement, it can prove to be a global changer for इंडियन इकॉनमी. ठीक है. बायलेटरल ये चल रहा है ना, बायलेटरल ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट. और इन्वेस्टमेंट. देयर कैन बी अ बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रॉम कंपनीज working in China as they want to move elsewhere. Keeping the US market in mind, India can prove to be a better option for them. Conclusion. The result of trade war are complex and uncertain, but it affects the global economy negatively. America is one of the few countries with which India has trade surplus. Therefore, a trade deadlock with America can be detrimental for India, while a global trade war can prove to be an opening of new door for trade and investment in global world. अब देखते हैं इंडिया यूएस रिलेशन. फ्रॉम हेजिडेंट हैंडशेक टू डायनेमिक डुओ, इंडिया एंड यूएस स्टार्ट इवॉल्व्ड सिग्निफिकेंटली ओवर पास्ट फ्यू डिकेड एंड कम अ लॉन्ग वे. देखो, फ्रॉम हेजिडेंट हैंडशेक टू डायनेमिक डुओ, इंडिया एंड यूएस. फ्रॉम हेजिडेंट हैंडशेक टू डायनेमिक डुओ, India and United States has evolved significantly over past few decades and come a long way. India-US relationship will not only shape the destiny of our two countries but also depth of world. PM Modi. वही है, India and US, then India and US but together it will benefit entire world. ठीक है. Recently, Prime Minister of India meet US President Donald Trump, reaffirming the India-US comprehensive global strategic partnership. ठीक है. Witnessing the recent diplomatic gesture, the two countries look to deepen their cooperation in several critical areas. Both sides announced US-India compact for 21st century. ये लिखना है, India-US compact for 21st century, catalyzing opportunity for military partnership, accelerated commerce and technology. Military, commerce and technology. Compact. Military, commerce and technology. Catalyzing opportunity for military partnership, accelerated commerce and technology. Compact for 21st century to drive transformative change across key pillar of cooperation. अब आते हैं की आउटकम ऑफ इंडिया यूएस समिट। पहला है ट्रेड एंड इकोनॉमिक पार्टनरशिप मिशन 500, टारगेट सेट टू डबल बायलेटरल ट्रेड टू $500 बिलियन बाय 2030, negotiate a bilateral trade agreement by late 2025 to reduce tariff and non-tariff barriers। ठीक है। एनहांस्ड करना है मार्केट एक्सेस फॉर यूएस एग्रीकल्चर गुड एंड इंडियन लेबर इंटेंसिव एक्सपोर्ट। एनहांस करना है मार्केट एक्सेस फॉर यूएस एग्रीकल्चरल गुड एंड इंडियाज लेबर इंटेंसिव एक्सपोर्ट। ठीक है। इंक्रीज्ड यूएस इंडिया इन्वेस्टमेंट इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ग्रीन फील्ड एंड सप्लाई चेन डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, डिफेंस कॉपरेशन। ठीक है। अब देखो ये हमने एयरक्राफ्ट एक एयरप्लेन खरीद रहे हैं 2023 में। देखो यूएस विल सेल 535 F-35 स्टील्थ फाइटर जेट टू इंडिया, a new 10-year framework for US India major defense partnership। ठीक है। US will sell F-35 stealth fighter jet to India, a new 10-year framework for US India major defense partnership। India will procure 6 additional P-8I marine surveillance aircraft। ठीक है। F-35 stealth fighter jet और P-8I maritime surveillance aircraft। ठीक है। अब देखते हैं एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी एंड न्यूक्लियर कॉपरेशन। इंडिया विल इंक्रीज ऑयल एंड गैस import from US. US will support India's membership in International Energy Agency. Fully implement US India 123 Civil Nuclear Agreement। ठीक है। कोलेब्रेशन और एडवांस मॉलिकुलर रिएक्टर टेक्नोलॉजी में देखें US India Trust, transformation the relation utilizing strategic technology, collaboration to promote application of critical and emerging technology। ठीक है। Indus innovating bridge to advance US India industry and academic partnership and foster investment in space, energy and other emerging technology। मतलब ये बड़ा compact India US trust, transforming the relation utilizing strategic technology, Indus innovation मतलब ये आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड, इनोवेटिव ब्रिज टू एडवांस इंडिया इंडस्ट्री और एकेडमिक पार्टनरशिप टू फोस्टर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन स्पेस, एनर्जी एंड अदर इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी। ठीक है। मल्टीलेटरल कॉपरेशन, एक्स्ट्राडिक्शन टू इंडिया ऑफ तहाबुर राना, लिंक टू 26/11, तहाबुर राना को भेज दिया है। ठीक है। पीपल टू पेपर कनेक्ट्स एंड एजुकेशन, ट्विनिंग प्रोग्राम फॉर स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज, जॉइंट डिग्री प्रोग्राम बिटवीन यूएस एंड इंडिया, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सोर्स कैंपस ऑफ US इंस्टीट्यूट इन इंडिया। चैलेंजेस देखो, ट्रेड इम्बैलेंस, यूएस हैज़ यूज ट्रेड डेफिसिट ऑफ अराउंड 45 बिलियन विद इंडिया विच वॉज अराउंड 5% मोर देन लास्ट ईयर। ठीक है। ट्रेड टैरिफ इशू, US कंसर्न ओवर इंडियाज टैरिफ ऑन एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट हैव लेड टू ट्रेड डिस्प्यूट। टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफ़र, stringent US export control limit India's access to advanced defense and AI technology। Visa restriction, US visa regulation, particularly H-1B visa, limit India's IT professional mobility and affect the tech industry। Russia, Iran, China, geopolitical difference over Russia, Iran lead to conflict of interest between India and US। Intellectual property right, disagreement over IP protection, particularly in pharmaceutical impact trade negotiation। Illegal immigrants, US has raised concern about illegal immigrants from India। Deportation, recently US has started deporting India's immigrants that has caused a concern within India। Way forward, ट्रेड एंड इकोनॉमिक डाइवर्सिफिकेशन करना है, फाइनलाइज करो बायलेटरल ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट बाई 2025, एक्सपेंड ग्रीन एनर्जी एंड हाईटेक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, डिफेंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर, डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड AI cooperation, enhance AI semiconductor quantum research while expanding cyber security, avoid unilateral tariff on Indian agriculture good must be avoided through better discussion and dialogues। Nuclear deal, fasten the full implementation of US India 123 civil nuclear deal, strengthening Indo-Pacific strategy, both countries should align policy on infrastructure development, maritime security, and supply chain resilience in Indo-Pacific. Russia-Ukraine conflict diplomacy. The US should acknowledge India's neutral stance, while India can mediate in international forum to support peace effort. PM Modi, the future is AI, America and India. Obama ने बोला था India and US is most defining relation of 21st century. Area of cooperation, geostrategic cooperation, reiterating support for India's permanent membership in a reformed UN Security Council. ठीक है. Advance India's membership in nuclear supplier groups. ठीक है. Strategic. Institutionalize 2+2 ministerial dialogue, strengthen Quad for a rule-based order in Indo-Pacific. US join India's Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative for a secure and stable maritime domain. United stands against global terrorism and condemnation of extremist group. ठीक है, ये तो हो गई स्ट्रेटजिक इंडो पैसिफिक वगैरह हो गए. अब आते हैं जियो इकोनॉमिक कॉपरेशन. टारगेट सेट टू डबल बायलैटरल ट्रेड $500 billion by 2030. Investment in semiconductor assembly and test facility. For example, Micron Industry is set to test a plant in Micron. आ गई कहाँ आ गई? गुजरात में. कल्चरल कॉपरेशन. Ongoing negotiation for cultural property agreement to prevent illegal trafficking of cultural property from India. Technological cooperation. Collaboration on AI-enabled cancer and diabetes research. Signing of Artemis Accord for space exploration and defense procurement. More area where both should converge. देखो, the US can work with India, Australia and Japan to diversify and de-risk supply chain through supply chain resilience initiative जो चल रहा है. जापान इंडिया US चला रहा है, जापान इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया चला रहे हैं. ड्यू टू शेयर्ड कंसर्न अबाउट चाइनीज़ आर्मी ग्रोइंग स्पेस कैपेसिटीज़, स्पेस गवर्नेंस विल बिकम अ फोकल पॉइंट ऑफ US India bilateral friendship. India and US can undertake a joint infrastructure development program in Indian Ocean. Ensuring a free, open and rule-based Indo-Pacific is critical for both countries. Deepening partnership. देखो, ट्रम्प को चाहिए मागा, मेक अमेरिका ग्रेट अगेन, और इनको चाहिए मीगा, मेक इंडिया ग्रेट अगेन. न्यू कोर्स फॉर इंडो पैसिफिक इन इंडिया US टाई. अरविंद पंगड़िया ने बोला है रियलाइजिंग द फुल पोटेंशियल ऑफ टाइज विल डिपेंड्स ऑन इंडियाज अंडरटेकिंग स्ट्रक्चरल रिफॉर्म एंड US dispelling concern over reliability as a long-term partners. Harsh B. Pandyan, despite policy differences, the visit underscored the democratic value and people-to-people tie that energize the bilateral relation in long terms.